Hello friends, in today's clinical based question, I'll be taking a question on lipid disorders. The question is like this. A patient with familial hypercholesteremia is started on a PCSK9 inhibitor. The expected primary effect is which the following. Option A, increased degradation of LDL receptor. Option B, reduce internal cholesterol absorption. C, prevention of LDL receptor degradation, increasing hepatic LDL uptake. D, inhibition of HMG coenzyme A. I'm holding the slide for a couple of seconds more. You read the question and write down the answer in your copy. Then I'll proceed for answer and discussion. Well, I'm sure by now you have written the answer. The answer of this question is C, that is prevention of LDL receptor degradation, increasing LDL, hepatic LDL uptake. Well, PCSK9 binds hepatic LDL receptor and promotes their lysosomal degradation. So when we use PCSK9 inhibitor, they prevent this process of degradation. They increase the number of LDL receptor on hepatocyte. They markedly enhance LDL clearance and reducing plasma LDL cholesterol. Friends, we daily upload a video at 9 p.m. in our app. In the number of my staff, if you have any query to ask me on this question or any other topic, you are welcome to ask question to me. I'll be very happy to reply to your queries. Please do write your name and name of your college. Thank you very much for watching this video.